Hello, my name is Toni Marie Burkhalter, and I'm here to introduce you to the muscles of movement for Kinesiology 186, or human movement. The muscles in your body may seem completely randomly named in Latin, but they're actually much simpler than you may think they are. There are 7 ways to name a muscle: by size, shape, location, action, attachment sites, number of origins, and fiber directions. For example, let's take one of your upper back muscles, your trapezius muscle. Trapezius translated means trapezoid muscle. And as you can see, if you look at it, your trapezius muscle looks like trapezoids. It's kind of cool, isn't it? The biceps femoris is named because bi means 2, and the muscle has 2 heads. It's also parallel to the femur in the leg. So the biceps femoris gets its name from both the location and the number of origins. Now that I've given you a little insight into how muscles are named, let's talk about the functional actions of muscles. There are a few ways to find out the action of a muscle. The easiest method, called palpitation, just involves feeling the muscle through your skin. However, it only works for superficial muscles that are closer to the surface of your skin, as other muscles may be tucked in too deep. You can feel your biceps brachii shortening as your forearm moves closer to your arm or shoulder. Thus, you know the biceps brachii is causing that action. A second way to determine the function of a muscle focuses on knowing their origin and insertion. To kinesthetic Lis study, you can draw a line connecting the origin to the insertion along the bones. Remember a couple things for this. The insertion is further from the midline of the axial skeleton, and all muscles cross a joint. Also, the insertion is always connected to the bone that is moved. The last way to determine muscle function is through electromyography, or an EMG. An EMG quantifies and records electrical activity in the muscles and allows scientists to research muscle activity while a muscle is moving. I know this chapter video is a little short, but it's packed with information that will help you as you take the time on your own to learn all the muscle names and their important functions. Now dive into the material and study and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.